Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make avatar profile picture on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner, and then you need to click on see your profile, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and then you need to click on make avatar profile picture, and here you need to select your avatar. So I'm going to select this one, and then I need to click on next, and here I need to give it a hairstyle. You can use anyone that you like, so I'm going this one. So you can change face shape, eyebrow, you can also add eyewear. So there are different options you can try according to your choice, and then you need to click on done. Then you need to click on next, and you can use your avatar in comments. Then you need to click on done, and you can see that now my avatar is created. So by following these steps you can easily make avatar profile picture on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.